In today's video, I will guide you through on how to add initials in Adobe Acrobat. So it's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So you might be that type of person who who is not that heavy on signature. You just want initial, which look cute and simple. So this video is for you. So in order to add initial, you have to go to the toolbar. Also, disclaimer, in this video, you cannot see the toolbar. I don't know, there might be some technical issue. Please, I'm sorry for that. But just assume there's a toolbar. But in your case, you can see a toolbar. Obviously, that's on your device. Usually, it's quite you don't have to go on search for toolbar. It's usually up there. So go to the toolbar and usually at the bottom, not very bottom, usually at third last, or seventh place, you can see an icon that says add your signature or initials. So that is denoted by an icon that is of, I guess it's a pen tip. So simply tap into that icon and you will see two options, that is one is signature and one is add initials. Since we're going to add initials, simply tap into the plus icon and now you have to So I had already typed in my initials before. You can also type your own initials. Let's say I want to go with or something like JL. So this are my initials. Okay. Let's tap in. You can also change your style over here. It's really up to you. I think the first one is better. So let's hit that apply option. And this is now you can choose the place wherever you want to place it. I'll choose this over here. Okay, you can also increase the size like this. So this is basically how you add initial in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you for watching.